Hi guys, good evening. So it's me again, Donna, and welcome to my vlog. So right now it's already almost 11 p.m. Alberta time, and as you can see, Amira is already sleeping. By the way guys, this is her bed. It's actually her bed, and her bed is right here. But hindi pa niya kaya mag-sleep sa room niya. So dito muna sa inside kami, dito pa rin. Dito naman nilagay yung bed niya. Para katabi lang din namin siya. Separate lang ng bed. So dito na siya lagi natutulog sa bed niya. But still, tinatabihan ko pa rin siya. Sa mga tulog siya, then tsaka ko lilipat dito sa bed namin mag-asawa. So right now I'm just you can see your dolls there, stuffed toys. So now I'm just papaantok. So I just had coffee and kami lang because my son is in his room, and my husband is not gonna be home. Yeah, he's gonna be out from work at 12 midnight, then he's gonna be home from 12:30. So I think gising pa ako. Probably gising pa ako noon. So ngayon magpapaantok tayo, then yeah, that's basically our room. And that's the TV in front of us. So maghahanap ako ng pwedeng panoorin. Either YouTube or Netflix or Prime. So yun lang guys. Thank you for watching. Till next time. Good night. Bye. God bless.